Hi, have you ever struggled to find just the right gift for a special someone and gone from store to store, leaving empty-handed, or worse than that, leaving with something that you purchased that wasn't quite right, but you were just desperate and had given up? Search no more. Here's an easy solution to get just the right gift for somebody that you care about, tailored to their specific wants, needs, likes, interests, hobbies, etc. Chalk Couture has an 80-plus page catalog filled with different designs of objects, things, sayings, etc. that you can use to make just the right gift. Hi, I'm Kathie Bakken, independent Chalk Couture designer, and I'd like to show you a project that I've come up with. Today, I'm going to use a canvas to paint with chalk on. And I'm going to use Chalk Couture's So Lucky transfer to do it. Let's get started. First, I need to fuzz the transfer, meaning remove some of the stickiness from the back of it so that it doesn't stick quite so much to my surface. And usually the easiest way is to just kind of roll your fingers over it and peel it off. I'm placing it on a fuzzing cloth where it'll pick up a little bit of lint from the cloth and make it not adhere quite as strongly to my surface. Let's leave that for a second. Now this canvas I've already painted with some acrylic paints in some different shades of yellow to make it nice and cheery. And before I actually chalk on it, I want to put something behind it so that when I press with my squeegee, I don't stretch the canvas. I think that should work well. So I've peeled off the transfer from my fuzzing cloth, and I'm going to apply it to the canvas. I think this looks just about right. I'm going to smooth it down with my fingers. You could use a squeegee to do this, but I actually like to use my fingers just to make sure there's no air bubbles and feel along the way. And then I have a shamrock here that I'm also going to apply to the surface. So I'm going to need to fuzz that as well. I'm going to use garden herb chalk paste today to do this. You want to apply a nice even pressure when applying the chalk paste, and remember, a little goes a long way, and any excess you could scrape off back into your container. You want to smooth across, making sure that you've got full coverage. Just missed a little bit up here. And obviously trying to stay on top of the transfer and not smear the canvas. But actually, if we did, we could probably clean it up quickly with a little bit of water. Oops. I'm not quite sure what happened right there. Okay, that looks better. All right, and then I want to lift slightly from an edge or from a corner, but not pull it up from the corner. Just lift it a little bit to gain purchase to the transfer, and then lift it at a 90-degree angle. We never want to pull from a corner because then we could stretch it. Remember, this is a silk screen transfer. And as a silk screen, like fabric, we could pull it on the bias and stretch it. Simple and quick. Now let's add those shamrocks. I'm going to use the multi-purpose tool to apply this because it's a very small area. This tool is really kind of nice. It actually is great for stirring up your chalk paste in the container and getting underneath the edge of the container to make sure that you've got it totally stirred up. And at the other end of it is what I'm using now. Is great for getting into tiny places. I'm working quickly with this so that the chalk paste doesn't dry. And I'm able to move it around a little bit and use it multiple times in between cleaning it. Cleaning your transfers is a snap. You can just put them in a water bath with the sticky side up, or you can clean them with a Lysol or Clorox wipe. Voila! What do you think? If you've enjoyed this project, please click share with your friends. If you would like to see additional techniques and some specials that I am offering through my VIP group, please comment, add me in the comments, and I will send you the link for my VIP group. If you're watching from Canada and are awaiting the debut of Chalk Couture for our Canadian audience, please comment Canada, and I will keep you updated as to the status of when that will be available. Chalk Couture also now is offering a subscription-based club with a transfer and 3 chalk pastes every month. If you'd like more information about the club, please comment club in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful life.